Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we talked about how to import data and perform a cross tabulation in SPSS. Today, we are going to look at how to export this data into file formats such as Microsoft Word, PDF, and so on. Before we dive into it, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscription button below. This will help me produce more quality content for you. Also, if you find this video helpful, kindly give a thumbs up and you feel free to drop your question in the comment section. This tutorial is going to be very brief and fast. So to export this data here, we go to export. That is if we want to export everything here on this page, this output page. If not, we can go by the left here where we are having these outputs here. So if I click here, you see that this particular table is highlighted. If I click on this one, this other table is highlighted. So what I'll do is to click on both of them. So I'll just hold down my control and click on the second one. So both of them will be highlighted. Then I'll right click and go to export. All right, so this is the box that will pop up, and under type you can export it as a HTML, a portable document format, which is PDF, a PowerPoint, for also text as well, plain text, and you can also export it as Word, a Word document. So now I'm doing that. Then for the file name, you pick a file name. You can actually change this by browsing and also changing the file location. So let me name this new output or new result. Then I'll save it in on my desktop so that I can quickly and easily retrieve this information. So now save. Now it's saved. Then once that is done, I would click OK. Now it's exporting. It has successfully exported. So let's go to my desktop to see if this file is actually there. So here in my desktop you would see new results. So let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, just a moment. So all right, so you can see that the tables are here. So this is how you export your table or your result in SPSS to Microsoft Word. You can choose to export it to other file formats if you choose to. If you choose to, you can go back to your SPSS and do the necessary selection. So here you have it. This is how you export output results in SPSS. Thanks for watching.